Hello, I'm Ritu Bhandari and my gallery is Ritu Rai. Here I'm showcasing tribal and heritage arts of India. So this is a Kalighat painting which is done by an artist called Anwar, and this is a fur art. It's Hanuman Chalisa with pigment and gold color. This is Mysore art. So this is all basically all done with pure gold, and the colors are all pigment colors. This is Gond art. This is from Madhya Pradesh, and the artist is Venkat Shah. And this is again a Gond art. This is fur art, which is from Rajasthan, Bhilwara, and the artist is Kalyanji Joshi. This is again on Hanumanji, the whole thing. And this again is Gond art, which is from Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal. This is also Gond art. This is Pichwai, which is from Udaipur. Again, this is also a fur art, which is from Bhilwara. This is on pigment and gold. And this is also a Kalighat painting. He is Anwar. Both these art forms are done by him. So they are trying to do more contemporary art forms now. So they are in touch, with what's happening nowadays, what people would appreciate. So according to them, they are changing a little bit. But of course, we don't want them to change. We want them to be, remain at their grassroots, how they started and everything. But at the moment, people want, something more contemporary and according to their homes. And nowadays, the homes are not those large, so they want, smaller artworks. I would say they should get a platform where people would know about how much of effort has gone into their artwork. Like each painting takes them months to complete. Some of the artworks, like even this fur art, it must have taken at least 3 to 4 months to complete this. And it's a lot of hard work which goes into it. It's not that the colors they are buying from the market and just doing it like this. Some of them, they make their own colors with pigments and all. The canvas they use is especially, if the cloth is treated. And that's how they use that. It's not that they're taking canvas.